Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. The vessels A and B of equal volume and weight are immersed in water to depth h. The vessel A has an opening at the bottom through which water can enter. If the work done in immersing A and B are WA and WB respectively, then option A, WA is equal to WB, option B, WA is lesser than WB, option C, WA is greater than WB, option D, none of these. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज आर्किमेडीज प्रिंसिपल एंड द बॉयंट फोर्स. तो आर्किमेडीज प्रिंसिपल ये कहता है कि जब भी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को हम फ्लूइड में इमर्स या सबमर्ज करते हैं then the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid which is displaced. Archimedes' principle states that when an object is immersed in a fluid, then the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the fluid which is displaced. तो buoyant force का expression है FB, which is the buoyant force, is given by rho Vg, where rho होता है density of the fluid, V is volume of the object, and G is acceleration due to gravity. इसी प्रकार the work done to immerse the object, the work done to immerse the object is given by W is equal to rho V G H, where H is the depth to which the object is immersed. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो डेटा है क्वेश्चन में वो नोट करेंगे. गिवन vessels A and B को पहला पॉइंट बनाएंगे. vessels A and B have equal volume and weight. दूसरा पॉइंट ये है कि vessel A has a hole at the bottom. और तीसरा पॉइंट ये है कि both vessels are immersed to the same depth. And the fourth given point is WA and WB are the work done in immersing A and B respectively. So let us start by writing the expression for the work done. Work done is given by W is equal to rho V G H. अभी क्योंकि the volume of the fluid displaced will be the same as the volume of the object, तो हम यहाँ पे volume we can take it as the volume of the fluid displaced. अभी दोनों केस को हम देखेंगे. पहले वेसल बी में हम जांच करेंगे. In case of vessel B, which is sealed, the work done is WB is equal to rho VB G into H, where VB is volume of the fluid displaced by B. In case of vessel A, the fluid enters the vessel through the hole and therefore the effective volume displaced by the vessel decreases. Effective volume of the fluid displaced by A reduces. क्योंकि वो होल के ज़रिए ऑलरेडी पानी अंदर जा चुका है, तो उसको छोड़ के बाकी का जो वॉल्यूम डिस्प्लेस होता है वो वेसल ए के ज़रिए कम होता है. WA is equal to rho VAGH, where VA is volume of the fluid displaced by A. Since rho G and H are constant, WB is proportional to VB and WA is proportional to VA. But VA is less than VB because of the hole. इसीलिए therefore the work done in immersing vessel A will be less than the work done in immersing vessel B. तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन हम मार्क करेंगे. The correct option to this question is, if the work done in immersing A and B are WA and WB respectively, then WA is less than WB. The correct option is option B. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.